Let's get into the video and learn. Subscribe for more daily content. 1. Laos's Plain of Jars. The Plain of Jars in Laos features thousands of large stone jars scattered across the landscape, believed to be burial containers from the Iron Age. 2. Portugal's Madeira Island. Madeira Island is known for its rugged terrain, lush vegetation, and stunning levadas, irrigation channels that offer scenic hiking trails. 3. Macedonia's Lake Ohrid. Lake Ohrid, shared by North Macedonia and Albania, is one of Europe's oldest and deepest lakes, rich in unique flora and fauna. 4. Namibia's Skeleton Coast. The Skeleton Coast is known for its eerie shipwrecks and foggy, barren landscapes, named for the remains of shipwrecks and whale bones scattered along the shore. 5. Ethiopia's Danakil Depression. The Danakil Depression is one of the hottest and most inhospitable places on Earth, featuring lava lakes, sulfur springs, and colorful mineral deposits. 6. Iceland's Blue Lagoon. The Blue Lagoon is a geothermal spa in Iceland known for its milky blue waters, rich in silica and minerals, offering a unique bathing experience. 7. Brazil's Amazon River. The Amazon River, the world's largest river by volume, flows through the Amazon rainforest and is home to an incredible diversity of wildlife. 8. Scotland's Fingal's Cave. Fingal's Cave on the uninhabited island of Staffa is a natural sea cave known for its striking basalt columns and unique acoustic properties. 9. Mexico's Copper Canyon. The Copper Canyon, larger and deeper than the Grand Canyon, is a network of canyons in northern Mexico, with diverse ecosystems and dramatic views. 10. Greenland's Ilulissat Icefjord. The Ilulissat Icefjord is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its massive glaciers and icebergs, which calve into Disco Bay.